Did you call AKA Aka?
Yeah. Well,
That's the kind of childish stuff. Why did I show it as an after-school special? To prove a point of how childish things are. That's why I did it. Anybody who didn't join us till just recently, here you go, guys. We're going to take another look again. Let's see it, guys. We're going to take our great tour of Puša Studios presents a comprehensive guide to detect, spot, and treat mild to severe cases of YouTube butthurt.
let's dive deep into it.
That's right, guys. Let's find. We should get you to read it this time. Get a girl's voice, like a story time.
Yeah.
You want to do it? All right, here you go. Ready? Can you see it?
Puša Studios presents.
Oh, sorry. Oh. There we go.
A comprehensive guide to detect, spot, and treat mild to severe
Softer, it's a
cases
child, it's a kid's story.
YouTube butthurt.
There you go.
Urban Dictionary defines butthurt as an inappropriately strong and negative emotional response from a perceived personal insult. But how does this pertain to YouTube butthurt? Although creators, platform YouTubers can experience these same symptoms and more. Here is some of the signs that you may be suffering from YouTubers butthurt. Have you said these phrases more than 3 times in 1 week? I make great content. It's the viewer's fault for not watching it. This is called that there is nothing wrong with me. There is something wrong with the world syndrome. Have you said these phrases? I am doing things right. It's the platform and another channel's fault. This is a point the finger at everyone but me phenomenon. I'm better than them, so the other channel do not deserve what they have accomplished. This is the boo-hoo effect, and was invented in the 1960s by Kleenex in an effect to boost sales. Well, maybe not, but you get the hint. Since they are doing better than me, I will complain and whine about them instead of working on my own shit. A symptom that is quite common and one of the leading factors in onset YouTuber butthurt. Or they're doing great, so I'm going to do the exact same thing as them. Wannabe is a horrible, heavy-hitting manifestation plagued by people wanting to be Peter McKinnon, Casey Neistat, and many others big and small. If you answered yes, your butt hurt. But there is more symptoms that can engulf the mind and actions of a YouTuber. Bash videos, clicks groups, pointless whining, the blame game, piggybacking, wasting time, flip-flopping, warning of channel sake, cock blocking.
I'm so waiting for you to say that. Oh my God, I'm dizzy. Ooh, alrighty. Let's get back to it, shall we?
Okay, I get it. I'm butthurt. How do I cure it? Everyone has an equal chance on the platform, like it or not. What one is successful at might not be successful for you. Every moment you whine like a child or warn people about others' channels is a moment wasted away doing something productive.
But is that all we can do to prevent it?
No. In short, take 2 of these and a look in this.
Aw. The end.
Only you can prevent butthurt.
Awesome. There we go. Welcome back, guys.
Now, for those of you that missed the beginning, that was a look back at the slideshow presentation by Puša Studios on how you can prevent butthurt.
Did you call AKA Aka?
Yeah. Well, that's right. Stay to the end and get a free knife set.